Hello kids, welcome again to the online session. My name is Roshni here and I am here to take your English today. Today students, we are going to complete the rest of the part of the chapter we have left in the last session. Yes, English, we have done only half of the chapter lastly and today we are going to continue that. Okay student, so lastly, let me first start. The lesson name was The Magical Garden. Now there was a magical garden in the school playground. There were many sunflowers, roses, poppies, pansies, marigolds. Many flowers were there, and the flowers were talking to the birds, and they were saying that the children are very lovely. And the poppy says that I love the children because they bring their watering cans and they water their thirsty roots. And then marigold says that I love boys because they dig the ground so well. And then a tiny birds among them says that yes, the children are very kind, they bring bread for them. Yes, and the flowers and all plan that we should work very hard and to make the children happy, so that the children become very happy seeing us so colorful. जब हम लोग अच्छे से खिल जाएंगे तो now the continuation is, the sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Yes, अब जब सब लोग बातें करते हैं तो सन भी बोलता है कि yes, मैं भी तुम्हारी हेल्प करूँगा. हेल्प कैसे करूँगा? मैं आप लोगों को ऐसे हेल्प कर सकता हूँ कि मैं सनशाइन दूंगा और आप लोग और अच्छे से खेल जाओगे, और जो शाइन देख के जो बच्चे खुश होंगे उससे मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Yes, so what happens? Suddenly the children come out and then they laugh and they sing, and उनको सुनने के लिए flowers what they do? They stop their songs. Now another child, oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head proudly. Yes, उनमें से एक बच्चा बोलता है look at the tall sunflower, वो sunflower को देखो. तो sunflower बहुत खुश हो जाता है और एकदम अक्कड़ से ऐसे ऊपर देखता है. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magical garden because it had fairies too. Yes, वो सच में एक magical garden था क्योंकि उसमें fairies भी थी. Fairies मतलब परियां. Yes, वहाँ पे परियां भी थी. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. वो जो गाना गाती थी, अच्छे प्यारे प्यारे गाने गाती थी और डांस करती थी, उसकी आवाज़ सिर्फ वो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे सुन सकते थे. Now, next page. Okay. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. Yes, थोड़े टाइम के बाद फेरीज बाहर आती है. They dance and they sing, and their dresses were made of what? उनके जो dresses थे, the fairies gowns were made of the flowers and their wings of sunshine. Wings मतलब पर, पंख. जो फेरीज के पीछे जो पंख होता है ना, वो पंख किससे बने हुए थे? सनशाइन से. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children could come again. Yes, अब शाम हो गई थी और वो मैजिकल गार्डन जो है वो शांत हो गया था इस ड्रीम में, इस सपने में कि कब अगला दिन आएगा और कब हम वापस से प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों से मिलेंगे. So here students, we end up with the session of explanation. We'll start with the textual exercise. Students, I've already written this on the board. I'll just explain it to you. Yes, bit number 1 I'll do it for you again. I'll write it later on. I'll rub this and write it. First, update. Bit number 2, pick the correct answers. Bit number 3, fill in the blanks. Bit number 5, opposite. So let us start once. See here are bit page number 9, bit number 2, pick the correct answers. Now, one sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the gardener, the birds, the trees, or the children. Yes, it is C, the birds. Next, the sun was pleased to see the children singing, dancing, or running about in the golden sunshine. Yes, it is again C, running about in the golden sunshine. Now, the fairies' dresses were made of sunshine, bright color clothes, flowers, or Snow White. Yes, the dresses were made of flowers. It is the flowers. Now, next students fill in the blank. The magic garden was very beautiful. The little gardeners were the children from the school. The flowers stopped their songs to listen to the children. It was indeed a magical garden because it had fairies too. The magic garden was dashed that night, quiet that night. Now, turning the page, students, you have to write the opposites. Opposites are here. The opposite of first one, students, here. Check out the numbers and then copy it in your term book. First one is pretty. The opposite of pretty is dull. Second is kind, cruel, high, low, soon, later, love, hate, stop, start, tiny, large, sweet, sour, tall, short. Now, students, in the next bit number 6, you have to find out the nouns and write in the space. You know what are nouns? Yes, nouns are nothing but the names of the persons, places, animals and things. So, I will dictate here. You have to take out the spellings from here and write in the dashes given. So, the nouns are garden, school, playground, sunflowers, roses, wall, marigolds, poppies, pansies. So these are the nouns. Whatever I have said, those words you have to write in the dashes here. Okay. Now students, bit number 10. This is again a passage. I expect you to do it as your homework. Okay. And now I will come to bit number 1. Yes. Now here is a small passage, students. We love the little children, said the tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. So, here are the questions for that, students. We have the space here. I will write here. Okay. So, this is bit number 1. First one. Who said this line? We love the little children. So you have to tick here on second one, a tiny bird. Tick for this one. Now second, it is A and B. Don't write it as one. It is A, this B1. Okay. Next B1. The children were unkind. No. So you will write F in the box. C. What do the children bring for the birds? It is bread. Why do the flowers want to work hard? To look pretty. Next, what does here in the text context refer to? Here means in the garden. Next, find out the word from the passage which is as mean as very small. Very small means tiny. So student, remember, this is bit number 1, bit number 2, bit number 3, bit number 5. I want you all to please update this everything in your term book. Here we end up with lesson number 1. I will come back to you showing you the notebook part. The meanings and all that will update it later. Okay student, just have a look at the board so that it will be very clear for you, and then okay, we'll come back in the next session. Bye bye.